So you've probably heard about this new trend called olive oil coffee. But is it really a healthy hype or just frothy fiction? Let's dive in and find out. First things first, olive oil is known for its health benefits. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants that can protect your cells from damage. But when it comes to coffee, we all know it's a great source of energy. It can boost your metabolism and improve your focus. So what happens when you combine these two? Well, some people claim that adding olive oil to your coffee can enhance its flavor and provide a creamy texture. They say it can even help you stay full for longer, thanks to the healthy fats. But here's the catch. There's not enough scientific evidence to support these claims. While olive oil is good for you, adding it to your coffee might not have any significant health benefits. It could just be a trendy fad that's all froth and no substance. So if you're looking for a healthier coffee alternative, stick to black coffee or try adding a splash of almond milk or coconut milk. These options are lower in calories and still provide a creamy taste. In conclusion, olive oil coffee might sound intriguing, but it's best to take it with a grain of salt. Stick to what we know works and enjoy your coffee in moderation. Stay caffeinated, my friends.